In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL redirect in Shopify using its efficient, built-in feature. This is a straightforward process that can be incredibly useful if you're restructuring your online store, deleting products, or changing your product URLs. Let's dive into the simple steps that will make redirecting URLs a breeze. We'll begin right from your Shopify admin panel, which is the control hub of your online store. You'll want to start by navigating through the admin panel to find the URL redirects section. To do this, head on over to Content, then to Menus, and finally, click on View URL Redirects. It's a vital part of maintaining a smooth customer experience, ensuring that visitors to your online store find exactly what they're looking for, regardless of changes you might have made to your URLs. Now, once you're on the URL Redirects page, you're ready to create your new redirect. You'll see the option to create a URL redirect. Go ahead and click that button. This will open up the fields you'll need to fill in to set up your redirect properly. Now that you've clicked on creating a new redirect, you'll see two important fields here, one labeled Redirect From and the other labeled Redirect To. In the Redirect From field, you will enter the path of the old URL, the one that you wish to redirect. For example, if you have an old product page that's been removed or no longer active, you would input its path here like Old Product Page. This step ensures that anyone trying to visit that particular page will automatically be taken to the correct updated location. Next, in the Redirect to field, provide the path of the new URL or a complete URL where you want visitors to end up. It could be something like what new product page, which is the updated version of your product listing, or even a full URL like http://www.example.com/external page if you want to redirect to another website altogether. By doing this, you are ensuring a seamless browsing experience, which is crucial for retaining customers and optimizing your store's performance. Once you've filled in both fields, double-check to confirm everything is correctly entered. After all, the goal here is to maintain the integrity of the user experience and your site's functionality. The final step is to click Save Redirect. With this click, you've created what's known technically as a permanent, or 301 redirect. This informs search engines and web browsers that the old URL has been permanently moved to a new location, which helps preserve your site's SEO rankings and avoid any indexing issues that might otherwise arise from broken links. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a URL redirect in Shopify. By following these steps, you ensure that your site remains user-friendly and well-optimized for both customers and search engines alike.